It's here, the only one true professional tabletop wet tile saw. The Pearl PA7TT 7-inch tile saw. With powerful 3/4 horsepower motor. Lightweight, portable, and compact. Only 20 inches in length and weighs 22 pounds. Need to cut larger tiles? No problem. The PA7TT cuts 16-inch tile down the middle with 8-inch clearance from blade to upright arm, 12-inch tile diagonally. The saw has 2 table positions, standard position and forward position for improved water drainage. Just lift table and slide forward until reaching the cutout taps and table. It also features 2 water feed options through Blades Guard or through table feed system for less overspray. Just disconnect water hose from T-adapter and insert into red tap underneath table. The motor air filter is reusable and washable to keep debris and overspray out of motor. Included with saw, 7-inch porcelain blade, submersible water pump, and rip guide. The Pearl PA7TT 7-inch tile saw. The only one true professional tabletop wet tile saw. To learn more, please call us or visit our website.